Please, open your browser and type Microsoft Creation Tool. Make sure you will download it from Microsoft's official website. Open the tool and follow with the next steps. Make sure that you will select the correct version for the device that you want to install it on. Download might take a while depending on your internet speed. Please, open your browser and type Rufus. Download the newest version. After successful installation of Rufus, you can select your ISO file. If your computer won't recognize bootable USB during the installation process, please repeat this action and change partition scheme to MBR. Warning: all data from your USB drive will be lost during this process. This process might take a while depending on your computer hardware. After successful creation of bootable USB drive, please restart your computer. Each manufacturer has its own way to access BIOS. While your computer is restarting, start clicking on Delete button or F2, These are the most common keys in order to enter your BIOS settings. Look for boot settings. Your BIOS can look different as it's shown in this video. Make sure that USB will be as the first option for a boot device. Now you can save changes and exit. If you did everything correctly, you should see Installation Wizard of Windows 10. Select version of Windows 10 that you would like to install. Please, follow with the next steps as shown on the video. Open your settings, and then go to your activation window. Enter your product key in order to activate your Windows 10.
Don't forget to check out our other videos, hit that like button and subscribe.